Hey, Mr. Doughton, just going through a few things on your rack so that I can, so we can start putting you back together here shortly. And we've got these old bilge pumps. They may or may not be functional. It'd take a little while to make sure, but we really don't like these switches, independent switches. They can't, depending on the placement, they can, for example, start your pump, and your pump might not be able to pump it down far enough for the switch to shut back off. You end up running your battery down, and eventually, you run your battery down so you're not pumping anymore. This one back here is purely manual, so I'm suggesting we throw those away, and you really only need like one 850 on your boat, especially now that we fixed that leak in the back. But if you want a second one in the back, I really like the pumps that have, we prefer the pumps that have a switch integral to them, because you don't have to worry about adjusting, and we don't want you to have to worry about making sure your bilge pump switch is placed properly and adjusted properly, and you don't want to spend the time for us to take this down to the lake and figure it out. So that's just wanted to get your approval. About $130 a piece, and it won't take us any longer to install those than it would be to install this old junk. All right, sir. Just wanted to update you and see if I can get your approval for that. Thank you.